Good morning, children. So this is I am going to take first standard ICSE science. So test is coming now, student. So we are giving revisions. So this is first main fill in the blanks. First one WVALLR WEAR wear CLOTHES clothes. We all wear clothes. Second one MIL camel KEEPS keeps our BONS bones and TEETH teeth STRONG strong. Milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. Third one CLOTHES clothes PROTECT protect USS FROM from HEAT heat RAIN rain and COLD cold. Clothes protect us from heat, rain and cold. Fourth one AIR air, IS is ALLR, AROUND around US us. Air is all around us. Fifth one WIND wind, HELPS helps, TO2 DRY dry, THINGS things. Wind helps to dry things. Sixth one AIR air, PUSHES pushes, SAIL sail, BOAT boat. Air pushes a sailboat. Seventh one WEAR wear, WOOLLEN ullet, CLOTHES clothes, ILIN winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Eighth one CLOTHES clothes, COVER cover, OUR our, BODY body. Clothes cover our body. Ninth one FOD food, MAKES makes, USS STRONG strong, and HEALTHY healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Tenth one WEMUST must, DRINK drink, ATLEAST least, EIGHT 8, GLASSES glasses, OFF water. So this is first main fill in the blanks. Now second main, write true or false. FOD food helps us to grow. So in the bracket you must write TRUE true. Second one, we don't need home to live in. So that is wrong. So in the bracket you write FALSE false. Third one, milk is a complete food. So in the bracket you write TRUE true. Fourth one, chase breathe in air. So in the bracket you write false, FALSE false. Fifth one, we need air for breathing. So in the bracket you write TRUE true. Sixth one, clothes do not protect us from heat, rain and cold. So that is also false. So in the bracket you write FALSE false. Next, seventh one, we all wear clothes. So in the bracket you write TRUE true. Eighth one, plants need air to live. So in the bracket you write TRUE true. Next main, name the things you have for. So children, you need daily 3 times now. So in the morning what you need, in the afternoon what you need, and in the night what you need. Okay children? So breakfast. So here I have written idli, IDLY, idli. DOSA, dosa. UPMA, upma. Second one, lunch. So in the afternoon you eat lunch, no? So for that, what you eat? Rice, RICE, rice. SAMBAR, sambar. PULAV, pulao. Next, third one, dinner. Dinner means you will eat in the night, no children. So for that one, I written here chapati. CHAPATHI chapati. RAGIBA L-L, ragi ball. R-I-C-E, rice. Okay, children? Breakfast, idli, dosa, upama. Lunch, rice, sambar, pulao. Dinner, chapati, ragi ball, rice. So next mean, here the words is, the letters are jumbled. So I must write the letters correctly. First one, R-O-A-R-T-C. So the correct spelling is C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Second one, N-J-A-L-B-R-I. So the correct spelling is B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Third one, O-A-P-T-O-S-E-T. So the correct spelling is P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Fourth one, B-A-G-B-E-A-C. So the correct spelling is C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Fifth one, R-A-G-C-L-I. So the correct spelling is G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic. Sixth one, H-T-L-A-E-H. So the correct spelling is H-E-A-L-T-H, health. Seventh one, P-C-E-L-A-I-S. So the correct spelling is S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Eighth one, B-R-E-A-L-L-M-U. So the correct spelling is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay, children? First one, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Second one, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Third one, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Fifth one, G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic. Sixth one, health, H-E-A-L-T-H, health. Seventh one, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Eighth one, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Next is missing letters. First one, C-O-V-E-R, cover. So for the dash I have done V. Second one, W-O-O-L-L-E-N. So in the dash you must write O. Third one, U-N-I-F-R-M, uniform. So in the dash you must write O. Next, H-U-A-N. So in the dash you must write M. Fifth one, P-U-H-E-S. So in the dash you must write yes, pushers. Sixth one, B-R-E-A-T-H-E. So in the dash you must write E, breathe. Seventh one, W-I-N-D, wind. Eighth one, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Ninth one, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Tenth one, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Okay, children? First one, cover, C-O-V-E-R, cover. Second one, W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. Third one, U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform. Fourth, fourth one, H-U-M-A-N, human. Fifth one, P-U-S-H-E-S, pushers. Sixth one, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Seventh one, W-I-N-D, wind. Eighth one, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Ninth one, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Tenth one, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Now, sixth main, answer the following. First one, what are our basic needs? Answer. F-O-O-D, food. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. H-O-M-E, home. air. Second one, how do clothes protect our body? Answer. Clothes, 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 PROTECT, protect, our, BODY, body, FROM, from, HEAT, heat, COLD, cold, AND or AIN, rain, IT, COVERS, covers, our, BODY, body. Third one, what are the uses of air? Answer. TH, the USES uses, OF of air or air, PUSHES pushes, SAIL sail, BOAT boat, IT MAKS makes, KITE kite, FLY fly, IT BLOWS blows, AWAY away, LEAVES leaves, IT HELPS helps, TO2, DRY dry, TH the, THINGS things. Fourth one, what is called uniform? Answer. CHILD or EN children, WA or wear, SPECIAL special, CLOTHES class, TO2, SCHOOL school, THEY day, your CALLED called, UNIFORM uniform. So children, I have given 6 main for the test. So children, sit and practice in the rough note. Okay children? Don't write in the classwork. So okay children? So you must practice in the rough note. So I given 4 question answers. What are our basic needs? Food, clothes, home, air. Second, how do clothes protect our body? Clothes protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Heat covers our body. Third one, what are the uses of air? The uses of air are air pushes a sailboat. It makes a kite fly. It blows away leaves. It helps to dry the things. Fourth one, what is called uniform? Children wear special clothes to school. They are called uniform. Okay children? So sit and practice in the rough note 2 or 3 times. Okay children? Thank you.